welcome to it the live session with me, Shanaz.
I'm Sarika. Hi guys, how are you?
Guys. Yeah, how are you all doing? So hope you have a very great weekend. Let's get into today's live session. So today we are going to talk about seasoning. In this we are going to deep dive into the details of what is pre-seasoning and why you have to season your cookware again, even though it's pre-seasoning. So we have our expert Sarika ma'am with us. So she'll be explaining about the seasoning process.
So mainly why we wanted to do this live is that guys, people think that once your product is pre-seasoned, it is permanently seasoned. Actually, we want to tell you that pre-seasoning doesn't mean it is permanently seasoned. Pre-season is we condition the products and we season it and send it to you. So for the first time when you're going to use it, you can wash the product and then you can start using it. But as you start using it, if you're going to use a mild detergent, you're going to wash the soap, your seasoning which was built will start to go away. So to maintain the seasoning, we request you to add a little bit of oil and then one sliced onion or any cabbage or anything like that and nicely saute it and discard the products. So what happens is your seasoning starts to build continuously on your product and your product will always be seasoned. So a lot of our DMs, in our DM we got a lot of messages asking that your products are pre-seasoned and then why should I season it? So we just wanted to make it very clear that pre-seasoning doesn't mean that it's permanently seasoned. Pre-season is that we are pre-seasoning it and giving it to you so that you can slightly season and maintain the product really very well.
Yeah, it is already pre-conditioned for your cooking.
Yeah.
You don't have to go through the pain of, oven seasoning it and
gas stove or oven seasoning or like soaking it in warm. They do a lot of other stuff. So basically, we don't want you to do any of those things. We just request you to wash and then use. But make sure that on and off, you just season your product. Especially your dosa tawas. So maybe like once in a week or 10 days once everybody washes their dosa tawa. What happens is the oil which was built, it will eventually go when you use a soap or a detergent on it. So what we request you to do is just add a little bit of oil and onion and saute it and just discard it. So what will happen is the tawa will get seasoned again.
Exactly. So it's basically like there should be like some amount of oil in your
cast iron again it is like it's an enemy. Air and water is enemy to cast iron. So you should have a little bit of oil always applied on your cast iron products. So that your cast iron will not end up rusting. And what can be required, we do have videos on those and you can share the link.
Yeah, we do have it in our YouTube channel. I'll definitely share the links of the videos.
So like if you want to know what is seasoning, how we should do seasoning and then how to like revive a pan which has been rusted. So you need not worry if your pan is rusted, you can anytime revive, but make sure that you don't let the pan get rusted. So always a little bit of oil will go a very long way. Cast iron and iron products you can use it for like a very long time if you're going to maintain it really well.
It will last for generations. So this seasoning tips goes for your cast iron cookware as well as your sheet iron cookware.
As well as your sheet iron cookware.
Yeah, and then I've read a comment recently about they asked like what's the difference between super smooth and a normal pre-seasoned cast iron.
This we've explained multiple times. So it's just a mission finish. But again, super smooth or pre-seasoned, all our products are pre-seasoned. So everything, it's pre-seasoned, pre-conditioned, it is not permanently seasoned. So this is what we just wanted you guys to know.
Exactly, and the seasoning steps for super smooth as well as the normal cast.
Everything is the same. Yeah.
So you make sure that you store it in a very dry place.
Very dry place and a little bit of a very thin layer of oil will do. Yeah, it'll take care. So just a very thin layer of oil. So if you don't like that oil which is there when you're using, you can wash it and directly start using it.
Exactly. And then like ma'am, what type of oil should you use?
Any type of oil, any cooking oil. So any cooking oil you can use it.
Okay, and then for that, for onions you can use for seasoning as well as vegetable waste.
Onions or vegetable waste, except tomatoes you can use.
Thank you so much for sharing this amazing tips with us, ma'am.
Any other doubts also do DM us, guys. We're really very interested to tell. This is one very interesting thing which we got. Yeah, actually we had multiple queries on this. So before finishing all pre-seasoned product. Indus Valley products are all pre-seasoned, but they're not permanently seasoned.
Yeah, once you cook, you wash it. Once your cookware is exposed to water or dishwashing soap,
yeah,
you should season it. Exactly. So thank you so much for staying with us in this live. So yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, again. Okay, bye.
Bye,
Please
guys.
drop all your queries and comments in our